A very big hello to all my wonderful PU2 champions. I hope every one of you is working hard and smart and also is doing pretty great out there, right? Now there's a question that I want you guys to ask to yourselves, and it goes like this. Can these last 10 days help me score 95% plus? Now some of you might be thinking that, what question is this, ma'am? I was just thinking that these last 10 days could help me at least pass the examination, and you're talking about scoring 95% plus? Well, if at all you're thinking like that, first of all, forget about just passing. Okay, forget about just passing. You have to give your best. This is the last chance that you have for your board examination to give your best. And trust me on this, have you ever seen anyone who have put in efforts and have not got a result for that? No, there is no one in this entire earth. Now you might be thinking, ma'am, I put in my efforts in my examination, still I didn't score so great. Okay, did you score well? Then how did you score before? Obviously, it would be yes. You might have got +1 mark, +2 mark, more than what you scored before, but there will be some impact on your results. Always understand that. And just imagine, if at all you're putting in your efforts for the 10 days continuously, how much impact is going to be added up? So much. So please do not belittle yourself. You are much more capable than you can ever imagine. And this is the chance where you try to understand your capability, where you try to give your best. Listen, your boards are nothing very big. It's just an examination. First of all, remove that thought from your head that it is something big, it is going to change my entire life. No, it is not. Okay, and if at all someone told you and scared you with that sense, please remember, it's not. It's just an examination. And when you think it's just an examination and basically you are not able to give your 100% for that, then that's sad. Okay, it's just an examination. You have to give your 100% and let's see what is going to happen, right? And trust us, we are there for you and we just want one thing from you. Give your 10 days to us. Rest assured, you will get the best results. And not just give your 10 days to us, by that I mean you have to put in your 100% effort. You know what? I'll be showing you the entire End Game Series timetable over here. It's all for free. Okay, and we teachers are really working hard for that. Yesterday, I recorded an MCQ video for biology. Okay, it went around 3 hours, 41 minutes long. It's an MCQ video, all the important MCQs. Now, while recording the video, I was thinking that who will watch this video? Oh my God, this is pretty much long. And I was getting super tired. You just imagine someone is standing and talking for like 3 hours, 41 minutes continuously. It's obviously not a great deal, right? But then I thought that if I put in my effort over here, probably there will be some impact on your result. There will be someone who might not know anything about the important MCQs or might not know the concept. Suppose that person is watching this video. They will get an entire idea and they will be able to score those 20 marks in the MCQs. That was the only thought that was running behind my head. And the same goes for all the teachers out there. And when they are ready to put in your efforts, you should also be ready to do that. And trust us, the previous year, lots and lots of children got the best results out there. So in a few days, we will be showing you their results as well, so that you also get that motivation that yes, you can do it. But do not wait for that. Start from today itself. You have the videos. I'll be showing you the list of videos which are coming, which have already been there in this particular channel. Follow it religiously. You know that you have all the resources, and when you do not utilize it, there should be a guilt in you guys. Please understand that. Most of the times there are cases where we do not have resources, and that is why we lag behind. But you have all the resources. You are in a technological era, right? So please utilize that. And I'll talk about how the live is going to go. So there's a schedule for the live that I am sharing you separately. I think most of you might have attended Ankit sir's live, which was there on Tuesday, 17th of February. It was top 50 most expected questions in mathematics. If at all you have not watched that video, go watch it. It is there in the live session. You can go and watch it. Now, physics live was there today at 9 a.m. Top 50 most expected questions. Then comes chemistry on 19th February. That is day 4. Okay. And then comes on 20th February, you have biology, my subject. Okay. Top 50 most expected questions. With that, we complete the 50 most expected questions, and then we will move on to model question paper questions. So we are not planning to do it separately. We have done that. It's there in the channel, but we thought everyone who needs to have a fresh approach or probably might have not done their model question paper well, we are coming back again. 3-in-1 model paper with all the solutions will be given to you. On 21st Feb, you have mathematics, then you have physics, then you have biology, and then you have chemistry. And then 25th, you would be having physics. Listen, and that is all numericals. And we know on 28th, you have Kannada, and in between that, you have so many other things also happening, right? Because 28th, you have Kannada. Apart from that, you have different subjects such as computer science and things like that. What about that? Or basically, what about all the 1, 2, 3, 5 and marker questions, ma'am? We do not know any idea about that. So do not be worried. So this was just the live schedule. Each day, for example, 17th Feb, you will be having more things. For example, on 17th Feb at 12 p.m, all MCQs 1 marker for mathematics was given to you. Okay, so please watch that video if at all you have not watched it. Now 1 marker of mathematics is being done. If at all you see, my dear children, the other questions will also be done for each subject out there. Now computer science, most expected questions part 1 was released yesterday. Kannada model paper 1 was also being released. So as I said, you know your timetable. According to your timetable, if at all you're feeling that I am studying this particular subject today, then probably you can include this also and give some time for this and solve the paper. Okay, because you have the resource with you. Now on 18th February, as I said, today you had the physics live. Apart from that, biology, all 1 marker questions will be released at 12 p.m. Make sure you watch it. And 3 p.m. you would be having most expected questions part 1 of Kannada. So for CS it has been done. Now for Kannada it will be there. And for 18th Feb, model paper 1 of CS will be given. Okay, so model paper 1 of Kannada was given. Here model paper 1 of CS will be given to you. Watch those videos. Now 19th Feb, again, as I said, you would be having live is for chemistry, but then recorded sessions are also given. All MCQs 1 marker for chemistry will be given at 12 p.m. At 3 p.m. you have most expected questions of English. This is part 1 for English. Then model paper 1 of English, that will also be given to you. So after Kannada you have English, and after that you have physics, right? So as I said, it's not like, okay, if at all you are someone who have some other plans, okay, you can follow that, but remember these are the resources. If at all you are someone who do not have much plans, please go accordingly and finish your subjects. Okay, now going ahead, you have 20th Feb, you have top 50 most expected questions biology live, and apart from that you will be having maths all 2 plus 3 marker and biology all 2 plus 3 marker questions given to you. Now Kannada model paper 2 will be given on 20th of February itself. Now 21st of February again you would have a live, and that live is for mathematics, but recorded sessions will be there for chemistry. 2 and 3 marker of the physical chemistry that is there, and 2 and 3 marker of physics will also be given. So 2-3 marker of math and biology has been done, and for physical chemistry 2-3 marker is been done. For physics 2-3 marker is also being done by that particular point of time. Now CS model paper 2 will be given to you, okay, on the other day. And 22nd February again there will be a live. Each day 1 live is going to be there, and apart from that recorded sessions will be given. All 5 marker of mathematics, so 2-3 marker, 1 marker of mathematics has been done, which is why 5 marker is being added up. In chemistry, instead of 5 marker, because the 5 marker is itself divided into 2 and 3 parts, you know, right? So basically, which is why there is only 2 plus 3 marker questions out there. So we have divided into physical, organic and inorganic. So you will get the organic 2 plus 3 marker questions of chemistry then, right? And after that, the model paper 2 of English on the same day, on 22nd. Now, on 23rd of February, again, there will be a live, and apart from that, recorded sessions. This time, we are talking about the 5 marker questions. So, physics 5 marker questions will be dealt over here. Math has already been done. And as I told you in chemistry, we have divided into physical, organic and inorganic, 2 plus 3 marker questions. So, physics has been done, and most expected questions, part 2 of CS will be done. Model paper 3 of Kannada will also be done on this particular day. Now, 24th of February, again, you have a live of chemistry, and then all 5 marker questions of biology, all inorganic 2-3 marker of chemistry, and model paper 3 of CS will be given to you. Now, post that, on 25th of February, my dear children, you have the most expected questions part 2 of Kannada and most expected part 2 of English. Apart from that, you have 26th and 27th that will be purely for Kannada. No other subjects will be given to you. So short question, everything you can expect that. Anyways, you please go ahead each and every day. When you have time, go ahead and watch the Kannada video because that is the first examination out there according to your timeline. So the, the summary of this particular thing is that you have resources. We are providing you the resources. You know your pace, you know your timetable, watch it accordingly. We have given you the timings as well. You can set a timer if at all you feel that, okay, I want to complete the model question paper of Kannada. So basically set a timer and you know when is the model question paper coming in for Kannada, right? Model paper 3 is coming in on 23rd, on 20th you have model paper 2, and on 17th model paper 1 is already being released. So basically according to that you can set your timer and watch these video. Okay, so that is about it. What do you think? Is it useful for you, or like do you need something else also from us? You can let us know. Well, my dear children, trust us. So most of the times it's that we put in our efforts and we wait for our children to put in our efforts, and by that time you do not have much time. Okay, by the time that you think that, okay, I will put in my efforts, you do not have much time. So do not take it to the edge. Rather than from today onwards, please go ahead and give your best. Use the resources that is given to you. And if at all you agree with me, do let me know in the comment section that, yes, ma'am, it is helping us. Okay, I'll really love to hear that from you if at all that's the case. And if you have any queries that you have, please ask us. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button for getting all the updates to its examinations. You will be having one day prior, you would be having lives where we will be covering everything up. You know that, right? We have done that before also. So yes, have the trust on us. And everyone who is new to the channel, children, you can also do it. Yeah. And one more very important thing. For KCET 30 batch, that is for KCET 30-day online crash course, remember the offer price will be ending on 25th of February. The pricing for that is 2499. So if at all you are planning to buy the KCET 30 batch, which has complete syllabus coverage of PU1 and PU2, and the KCET previous year questions with solution. Apart from that, KCET questions in test format, and 10 full length KCET mock test. If at all you want all these things, which is going to start from 21st of March, make sure you enroll, because the ending date is nearing by, and after that the price might go up. Yeah, so yes, this is what I had to tell you guys, and wishing you the best. Remember, if you have any problem, we are here. Okay, and please take care of yourself and do not be demotivated. Things happen, some days are bad, some days are good. Okay, just think like that and move ahead. Yeah, so bye bye, take care, lots and lots of love from JJ. Take care.